Shogun Takeshi, a master of strategy and diplomacy, cultivated a series of serene gardens within the grounds of his palace. Hidden among the groves were a series of hidden pathways and secret chambers, each guarded by a riddle that tested the wit and wisdom of those who dared to enter. The first riddle guarded the entrance to a secluded pavilion. I am born in fire, yet I die in water. I am the symbol of strength and resilience, bending but never breaking. What am I? Many attempted to solve the riddle, but it was a skilled warrior named Hiroto who uncovered its meaning. Bamboo. Hiroto's journey through the bamboo garden taught him valuable lessons in resilience and adaptability, inspiring him to face life's challenges with grace and determination.